If you have a dry skin, dark spots, you want to glow your skin at the same time, lighten your skin, clear your dark spot, and have this radiant glowing skin, then you need to stay close to this video. Make sure you comment on my video, make a screenshot sent to me on WhatsApp. This glow oil is not only a glow oil but an exfoliating, lightening glow oil. It will glow your skin, it will clear your dark spots, it will brighten your skin. Like if you have a dry skin, you're gonna be having that moisturized skin when using this oil. So but before we get right into the video, I want to encourage you with this Bible verse. Psalms 23 verse 1. It says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Now let us go straight into the video. When choosing your sunflower, which you're going to be using in making your glow oil, choose it wisely. I always love this brand because the brand has vitamin A, T, and E, which is very beneficial to the skin. So this is pure sunflower, so we're going to be using it to make our glow oil. And here I have some dry turmeric. I'm going to be adding them here. Make sure you're using dry turmeric. Dry, emphasis on dry. Then go ahead and add your sunflower oil. Double boil it, or you cover and stand it for some time to extract the nutrients from the turmeric. So double boiling is simply warming water like this, or making water too hot on a low heat. Then you place your content in it, not directly but in another like this, so that the heat can be minimal. Okay, after taking off the turmeric infused oil, I allow it to cool down. Now we're gonna filter it. Let's go ahead and filter it. I have my scale here. I'm gonna place my well sanitized clean mixing cup where I'm gonna be making this glow oil. Let's go ahead and strain the oil without allowing any room for the particles of turmeric to get in there. If you see how beautiful this oil is. So look at how beautiful this turmeric oil looks. If you are this kind of person, you don't want to lighten your skin, you just want to glow your skin, you just want to brighten your skin, at this stage you have your brightening glow oil. The turmeric in it is going to brighten your skin, glow your skin. But we want something more. We want a glow oil that will lighten the skin, exfoliate the skin, and even get rid of dark spots. So let's do more. Let us now go in with our sunflower oil. The same sunflower oil we used to infuse this turmeric with. We are going in now with that sunflower oil. We have the quantity we need in there. The next we're going to be going in with is our Lebanese carrot oil, which also lightens the skin and very good. Now this is a treatment on, this one is a treatment on, and this is the lightening on. So we are going in with this one. Remember we said them in case you need them. The next we're going to be going in with is our Mimi White AHA Serum. This is alpha hydroxy acid. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin, clear dark spot in case you have dark spots. Do you see the quantity I'm producing? That is because I'm producing it to package it for my clients. So I'm giving you formulas that works. So those of you who enroll for my training, you are getting the best formulas ever. We don't copy and paste. We come out with our own formulas that work. Okay, and there are a lot of fake in the market. Make sure you scan. We said the original. This is a whole pack of it. Our minimum quantity for wholesale is 60 pieces. So if you need, let us know, okay? This serum, it works wonders. You see this AHA serum, if you are a skincare formulator, it's a must-have. Yes, have it. Have it and you will never regret, honestly. I'm going to go in with my spatula and stir it gently. The next we're going to be adding is vitamin E. Vitamin E actually increases the shelf life of your oil, of your products. See, vitamin E is good. Next is to add any fragrance of choice. Let us go ahead and stir again this beautiful oil. Another oil I would advise you to add, which is optional, is your tea tree oil. We all know the benefit of tea tree oil, but it's very, very optional. You can see that I didn't go in with a stick blender, but this combination blends as if they were made together. Seriously, there's no separation. It blends so well. So you know you don't have to take pH when it comes to oil, because it won't even read. pH only read in products that contains water. So we're gonna go ahead and bottle our amazing, super effective skin lightening, exfoliating, brightening, dark spot enhance, I don't know how to call it. Just go ahead and bottle this amazing oil that you're gonna help fade your dark spot. You're gonna exfoliate your skin. You're gonna lighten your skin. You're gonna brighten your skin. You're gonna glow your skin. This oil is like 5 in 1. For my packaging, I have bigger bottles and smaller ones. I'm gonna be using my fornet to do the bottling, so I don't mess up my oil. We are done bottling our oil, and this is what we have. Super effective. Make sure you try it and come back here and give me a review. See, this oil is 1 in a million. Remember that we do skincare training, both organic and pro mixing, and we also sell skincare raw material. Do wait to chat us on WhatsApp if you want to enroll into our training, advanced pro mixing with detailed videos, organic and pro mixing. Do wait to chat us, and you will never regret enrolling into our training, because mentorship is free. Creating your logo for you is free. We also design labels, beautiful labels that are gonna attract your client. Like training with Sylvie Glow is the best decision ever. Try out this oil, you will see how effective it is. Imagine if you enroll into our training, you're gonna be getting more of this. Okay, so if you need this formula in detailed percentage, do wait to comment on my video, like, share, subscribe, and even turn on the notification bell. Then make a screenshot, chat me on WhatsApp through the WhatsApp number you are seeing on the screen. I'm going to be giving you the detailed formula with the percentage. Yes, I've given you the formula, but without the percentage. But if you do that and chat me on WhatsApp with your proofs, I'm going to be giving you in percentage. Don't forget to enroll in this particular training you are seeing on your screen. This training does not just come with formulas. It comes with detailed videos. I say detailed videos. How to formulate your half cast kit, your whitening kit, your caramel kit, your dark spot eraser kit, your acne eraser kit, your dark knuckles, dark light. Chat us on WhatsApp and you will never regret training with Sylvie Glow.